Yes, yes.
Tomorrow class is there.
Not tomorrow. The next class you have on Monday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children. Right, right. See, children, to find in between rational numbers, a very, very important task. You will definitely get the 4 marks with in your examination. To find the in between rational numbers, you have to see. You have to see what you have to see whether the given numbers are like or unlike. So since given numbers are unlike, you just first step make as like. Make as like means you have to take denominators of LCM. 5 and 3 LCM is 5 and 3 LCM is
15.
yes.
15.
5 LCM of denominators 5 and 3 is 15. LCM is 15. Now you make your rational numbers as like rational numbers means you have to multiply first rational number with 3 so that the denominator is 15 and the second rational number with 5 so that the
Minus 12.
yes,
First one is minus 12 by 15. And the second.
yeah, first one is minus 12 by 15, second one is minus 10
Minus
by
10.
By 15.
15.
yes, minus 10 by 15. Now you see children in between in number line minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. So in between you have 12 and only one rational number you have. Only one rational number. One rational. But in our question they're asking how many rational numbers
They're asking 5.
to find five rational numbers in between. Five rational numbers. Now you see LCM. What is LCM? 15. Go with go with 15. Then multiples of that 30. You make your denominator as 30 means you should raise your first rational number with a 2 and the second rational number with 2. So it becomes minus 24 by 30 and it becomes minus 20 by 30. Now you have to see in the number line in between minus 20 and 24 you have minus 21, minus 22 and minus 23 and minus 24. In between you have only three rational numbers. Here you have only three
Three
three rational
numbers.
numbers. Here only one rational number. Coming
Yes.
to, so it is not fulfilled our need. You go with another one, denominator multiple of your LCM 45. 45 means you have to raise your original fraction with with
With three.
3 so that it becomes 12 threes are
Well,
yes,
36.
yes and
36, ma'am.
minus 30 by minus 30 by 45. Now please go to
45.
the number line minus 30. Yes, please look at minus 31, minus 32, minus 33, minus 34, minus 35, minus 30.
36.
Now you check how many rational numbers are there. 1, 2.
Ma'am, five, ma'am. Total five numbers.
5.
So now you
One,
have to write down children what are the rational numbers in between. Come on.
ma'am, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Yes, so that you can write your rational numbers minus 35 by 45 and minus 34 by 45 minus 33 by 45 minus 32 by 45 and last one is minus 31 by 45. These
45.
are the rational numbers in between minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 and minus
minus
4 by
3 by 4.
6.
Yes.
Any doubts, please put IDK so that this is the because many times I help you children. Coming to the next question, coming to the last one, you see here, fourth one, you want to find in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. You have to find five rational numbers in between this. Is it like or unlike rational numbers, Kunal?
Ma'am, unlike ma'am.
So what you should do first step?
Ma'am, LCM, ma'am.
LCM. 2 and 3 LCM is?
Ma'am, 2, 3 is a 6, ma'am.
Yes, 2 3s are 6.
6.
So you make your LCM number as 6 means you have to multiply first rational number with 3, second
Yes.
rational number with 2. Now you have to check. It's 3 by 6, it's the 4 by 6. Your 3 and 4 in between you are having only no numbers, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes, ma'am.
One number.
you have to do now?
Ma'am, now we need to take any table, ma'am, like with
Ah,
3 table, like.
so you make your denominator as 12. So you have to go with the two table. 3 to
2.
6, 4 twos are 8. 6 and 8 in between we are getting only two rational numbers. 6,
Yes, ma'am. Only
only one rational number, 6 and 7. So it is not satisfied our needs. So you just multiply.
Ma'am, there is minus 1 by 2, ma'am.
Now we can take 18.
No, I am getting in my textbook it is positive 1 by 2.
But in my textbook, it is showing that minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2 means very simply you can write minus 1 by 2.
yes.
We need to do multiplied by 5 by 5.
Yeah, just a minute. Checking one by one, we are going ahead. Now, if you multiply with 3 means 3 threes are 9, 4 threes
Ma'am,
are
Ma'am, once you can check it out.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
Can I tell a simple
Ma'am,
method?
if you can textbook.
Yes, you can. I will. Yes, average of that you
Okay,
supposed to
ma'am,
get.
it is in the middle. Ma'am, it is in the middle. So I was confused.
Yes, I can see Kunal. Raghav.
Ma'am is saying that it was in middle, so I was confused, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is a
Raghav.
positive one.
Raghav. Average of two
Yes.
numbers you are taking.
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav, are you?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah. What's your?
Ma'am, so I'm telling an easy method for this.
Yes.
Let's take the example of minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 only.
Okay.
First, we should convert them to like fractions. So their LCM is 15. So minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 3, which is nothing but minus 12 by 15. And minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 5 is equal to minus 10 by 15.
Same
Ma'am, so yes, ma'am. We need total 5 rational numbers. We should add one to it and we should take it as 6. So we should multiply minus 12 by 15 into 6 by 6. Ma'am, and 12 6 are 72, and as it is minus 72 by 90, and minus 10 by 15 into 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 60 by 90.
Exactly.
And so, we should write them and we should take any 5 rational numbers between them.
Yes, Raghav. Yes.
Like minus 72, minus 71, minus
Exactly.
70,
So at the
69.
time you are raising your fraction into at most number, bigger number, so that you are getting many rational numbers in between. Very good. Right. The same procedure, but we are checking like a trial and error method. We are going directly. Once you are thorough with your concept, you will the children also will go do the same. Yes, Aditi. Aditi, what's your doubt, Aditi?
Ma'am, which Raghav told the trick he told, I didn't understand.
yes, ma'am, I too.
What, ma?
Ma'am, what Raghav told, trick, ma'am, no one Raghav told.
Raghav is taking, once we are getting the numbers, we can raise directly with the bigger number. Why you are taking and checking with the 3, 4 like that? Instead of doing directly, I am multiplied with the 6.
Okay.
Yeah, instead of checking. But we, first initial cases, if you want to understand, you will go with the trial and error method, children. Once you are thorough with the concept, directly 1 or 2 bits if you do means you will only came to know that we are going with a little raising the rational number with bigger numbers. Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
the same thing, the same procedure, but he raised with the 6 directly, not with checking, without checking 2, 3, 4 like that. He is raising the fraction directly. Okay. Yes, see the second number here 4 by 6. So we are having only in between. So you Directly you can raise with, if you want 5 rational numbers means you can raise with, suppose if I'm
Six.
taking 6, 2 3s are 6 and 4 2s are 8, only 2, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 9 and 3 again you have. Suppose if I'm taking with 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 rational numbers. Suppose if I'm taking with 15, 5 3s are 15, 4 5s are 20, I'm getting only 4 rational numbers. So if I multiplied with more 5 rational numbers means I want to multiply with more than 5. So I will multiply with the 6 means you can see children, you multiply the number with the 6. So what you are getting, please let me know. 3 6 18, 6 4
Six, ma'am.
54 by
Four
36. Now you check children how many rational numbers you are getting in between. 18, 19 by 36.
Ma'am, 19, 20, 21.
Yes,
I'm 18 by 36, 19 by 36, and 20 by 36, and
Ma'am,
21 by
22 by
36,
36
and
22
also
by 36.
22 by
Ma'am,
36,
this is the
ma'am.
correct number, ma'am.
And 23 by
23
36.
by 36, ma'am.
1 2 3 4 5 rational numbers we are getting.
Yes, ma'am. 19 by 36, 20 by 36, 21 by
Shall I
36,
give
22
homework
by 36.
sums for you children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Now
ma'am.
we understood clearly, so give, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is clear for you, the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
clear.
Right, right.
Yes, ma'am, can you give some more things?
Yes, I'm giving. Yes, children, I'm giving just a minute.
Actually, first I did not understand because your voice was low, ma'am. So.
Maybe the network issue, children. I'm teaching continuously, I'm shouting. If it is a class means I can
Or
go
just
the
increase the
speed to the
system
speed.
volume.
Yeah. Write down children, in between rational numbers find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3.
Ma'am, you can note in paint, ma'am.
Yes, I will
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your homework is write any 5 rational numbers in between 5 rational numbers. Any 5 rational numbers.
Ma'am, tomorrow we do not have class, no, ma'am.
Yes, rational numbers between. That's why I'm giving homework for you. Please complete it. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Yes, next one is 6 bits I will give children.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are is the just the sum you explained us.
1 by 2 and 2 by 3 I gave, not 1 by 3 I didn't give. Yeah,
Ma'am, you give 1 by 3, ma'am. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3.
yeah, because previous bit it is 2 by 3 children. Please look at the bit carefully. And other one is minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. And minus 2 by 7. And D bit is 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. And E bit all varieties of questions combining and giving children. 2 and 8 by 3. 2 and 8 by 3, sorry. This is the homework bits. These are the 4 bits you have today work.
Ma'am,
Please.
ma'am,
Yes.
in 2 and 8 by 3, we can keep denominator 2 as 1.
As one, yes, we should keep it as one and do it.
Okay. Thank you, Raghu.
Sai Kartikeya, definitely I'll post the video in the your Google Classroom today because many students having network issue. Don't worry, you just watch it. That's all for the day, children. And you have test on the rational numbers with the basic concepts only, not operations. Operations maybe in 1 or 2 classes we will complete the exercise sums.
Ma'am, meaning to send in WhatsApp or you will discuss in class?
Any doubt today's class, children? Any doubt?
No.
No doubts, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right. Kartikeya, I'll post. Don't worry
Excuse
about
me,
that.
ma'am.
Yes, Srishti.
Ma'am, will you send the homework in WhatsApp or we will discuss in class?
Ma'am,
Which one, ma?
Ma'am, I will upload this homework in group, ma'am.
Why only 5 bits you can write in the book, Nana? Why again disturbing all the parents by putting the different messages, unnecessary messages in the group? Please write
Srishti is asking this homework pic.
in group. I'm unable to send children. I will post in the. I'll post in the classroom.
Ma'am, this will come in exam.
Which one, ma?
No, it is only homework.
This part.
Ma'am, Srishti is asking.
This question I'm unable to give in your exam. Subjective examination I'll give, but in quizzes I'm unable to. This type you can practice, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, children. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day to you, children.
bye, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Have a nice.
Ma'am, Sai is saying that don't send the video in Google Classroom, it seems, ma'am.
Okay, so that I'll share the link in our group also. Don't worry. Ask him, Sai Kartikeya. No need to worry, Kartikeya. I'll share it in the group also. Don't worry, because the student is having a literally network issue today. Okay, I'll see that. I'll try to post in WhatsApp group the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Kartikeya.
Thanks, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, Pranav.
Thank you.
Bye,
Nice,
Kriti.
ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
Kunal.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Nice day, ma'am.
Vallabha.
Ma'am, have a
Vallabha.
nice day.
Vallabha. Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to catch the today's how to get in between rational numbers concept, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
I can get.
Please practice. If you have any doubts, please let me know, Vallabha.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Right, children. Bye. Take care. All of you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.